Part of our job at Kele is designing applications that make your life easier, and we've been working on something big. Introducing My Project Portal. My Project Portal was created to enhance your Kele.com ordering experience with a variety of capabilities, such as uploading a BOM and searching the Kele product database with a single click. To access My Project Portal, simply navigate to Kele.com and click My Project Portal. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to past and current list, including saved carts, projects, and order templates, plus the ability to sort based on favorites, name, date, and tags. To get started, upload your BOM one of three ways: upload an Excel file, copy and paste, or enter items manually. Save your BOM as a list when you want to start organizing a group of products for an upcoming need. Save as a project when you have an anticipated delivery date, or save as an order template when you have a group of products you need to order together on a regular basis, but quantities may vary. Once you hit save, our search engine delivers the products found with your price, availability, and descriptions, plus current discounts for large volume orders and any current promotional offers. Add parts to your project to see if you qualify for an additional discount. Our predictive search capabilities enables you to search and add directly from your project. If your BOM contains parts that are not found in our system, they will appear here, with an option to search using a different term or product number. If you can't find what you're looking for, chat directly with a sales associate. Under Settings, you will find options to add descriptions and/or tags. We offer 3 options for viewing. Collaborate with others associated with your Kele account by sharing your project. Other options for sharing include print and email. Mark your project as a favorite for easy access and sortability when you return next time. When you're ready to check out, all you have to do is hit Checkout and select what to do if items exist in your current cart. It's that easy.